Welcome to another unit in this Excel course. This time I'm going to talk about the function PMT. The PMT function is used if you've taken up a loan and you want to pay back this loan over a given number of periods and on the basis of an already existing interest rate. So if I say I want to pay back the 1,200 euros over a period of 25 months or periods, I want to know how much I need to pay each month if I'm going to pay back this loan in equal sized chunks. So if I go here with PMT, use this function, we see that he actually wants to have these informations. He wants to have with rate, the interest rate, with NPER, the number of periods, with PV or present value, the loan I've taken up, with final value, whether I want to pay back the whole loan, want to stop at a certain value, or I can imagine whether there's some salvage involved with this. So after paying this back, I can sell this and actually I will be left with, let's say, 100 euros or something. Usually if it's just about paying back the loan, you can put a 0 here. Then we have the final comment, the type. When does the payment have to occur? Should the payment always occur by the end of the month, so be an immediate payment, or by the beginning of the month, should be a due payment? Let's say we go here with end of month, and we see in this case, and it's negative because it's a payment I have to do, I have to pay each month 56 euros and 49 cents. This will get back this loan according to this interest rate. If I assume, well, this is more or less the price of an iPhone, I can do this with 25 months. Well, then it would make sense to have here not 1% interest per month, but basically 1/12 of this. I can enter this as 1/12 of this here, giving me then the outcome under the assumption that I'm paying this back over a period of 24 months. Well, that's already everything on the PMT function. This gives me the monthly payment, the constant monthly payment, or in other words, the monthly annuity needed to pay back a set loan. Well, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I say goodbye. See you next time.